The divorce petition has been filed on the grounds of cruelty and adultery, my lord. Her behavior also were indicative of all the suspicions that I had. And ultimately, my lord, it led to a certain instance where my suspicions grew even stronger, because I noticed that she has been receiving certain mails from a divorce matrimony website. Subsequently, my lord, she files this application seeking maintenance of up to 1 lakh. My lord, the impugned order is
directed to pay monthly maintenance of
25,000 and one-time litigation expenses of 20,000.
What is your income?
My lord, my income is 1,59,000. I've furnished my assistant
Maintenance is to the wife or to the child?
to the wife, my lord.
1,59,000.
1,59,000 per month.
What is the income of the wife?
38,000, my lord. 38,500. 35. I apologize, it's 35,840. My lord, the assistant liabilities of both the parties, my lord, have produced in Annexure E and Annexure F, my lord. The marriage, my lord, was solemnized in Kolkata on 28/6, my lord, sorry, my lord, 2/12, and further, what happens, my lord?
12 of which year? Any year?
My lord, sorry, I apologize. It's 13/7/2017. The marriage is solemnized. I apologize, my lord. The marriage is solemnized in Kolkata, and after the solemnization of marriage, we set up our matrimonial home in Bangalore. And my lord, subsequently, after the marriage is solemnized, during the course of our marriage, I go on to suspect that she was involved in certain extramarital affairs. And my lord, her behavior also were indicative of all the suspicions that I had. And ultimately, my lord, it led to a certain instance where my suspicions grew even stronger, because I noticed that she has been receiving certain mails from a divorce matrimony website. And further, my lord, these contentions are specific contentions that I have taken up before the trial court. And my lord, the divorce petition has been filed on the grounds of cruelty and adultery, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, she files this application IA number 5, seeking maintenance of up to 1 lakh, which I contest, and my lord, the assistant liabilities I furnished before the trial court. And my lord, in my assets and liability statement, I have disclosed that my income is 1,59,000 per month, and my expenses are to the tune of 1,37,000 per month.
How?
My lord, I have listed out the details of the liabilities and the expenses that I have on a monthly basis. In page number 116 of my petition, my lord. In 116, my lord, the details of the expenses towards rentals, I have expenses of up to 30,000 per month. Electricity, gas, and groceries, my lord, that's 15,000, 1,500, and 1,100. And then, my lord, I have medical expenses up to the tune of 8,200. I have an aged mother, my lord, who's dependent on me.
All this will not become, as you say, 1,30,000. It will not become. What are these expenses? Count it. Parent support 10,000.
Yes, my lord. And I have other loans and EMIs also to take care of, my lord. All of the EMIs are totaling up to 14,500 in a month.
Where are her expenditure?
My lord, her expenses she has given in her
Page number.
assets and liabilities in page number 132, in the details of liabilities of the deponent. Page number 132, my lord. She has not given a proper disclosure. Proper disclosure has not been made. It only says that there are some hand loans that she had borrowed from her friends.
No, as per the judgment of the apex court, she has to furnish what are her expenses. It is there at 128, rent 14,000.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Her
household expenses 20,000.
20,000, medical expenses
So
of
14
2,000.
plus 20, it becomes 34, 36, 36 plus 5.
And clothing expenses of 20,000 per year. These are the expenses that she has disclosed.
14, 20, 34, 36 plus 5, 41.
Comes up to 41,000 in a month.
If it is your expenses are 41, why do you want 1 lakh? No, that we will forget. We will first of all we'll look at your expenses. You according to you require 36,000, and your salary is 35,000. Why do you require 1 lakh amount? No, that is for you to say. That is not his responsibility. No. Now, it is not basing on the husband's income, the maintenance will not be granted. You have to tell what are your expenses. You have already detailedly given the expenses at 36,000 and your income is 35,000. Why do you require 1 lakh rupees? Hmm? Where are the loans? What are the loans? Monthly income 35,840. So what is the deficit is only 160 rupees. That you have to tell. My traveling expenses 5,000 already included in what I have counted now. My traveling expenses at 129. So now what we do is, irrespective of whatever he says, her income is please wait. 35,840 is her income. Now, as per this, she said it is 44,000 is what she requires. So 44,000 is another 10,000. We'll grant her another 5,000, 15,000. We'll make this as 15,000.
And in fact, that is the interim order that has been passed as well.
We'll make it final. No, I have already extra than what she asked. I'm calculating. Might be. No. You should say this is what I want. You said this is what you want is only. No, if you look at all this, what is the purpose of filing statement of assets and liabilities? To know what is your income, what are your liabilities, what are your expenditure. You said my expenditure is only this. Where is that? You have to give the details. What are the loans? Please come to that. 130. Actual amount borrowed, if any, and the amount paid to date of filing. Aditi, what is the evidence for this? There should be some supporting.
Because she was thrown away, suspecting her character. Suddenly she was thrown away from the house. She was messed up. She made a house in the home.
We'll make it 20,000.
My lord, if I may bring your lordship's attention to Annexure J. My lord, this is the company where I am working at. It's called Sabre Technologies. For the last 4 to 5 years, my lord, the situation in my company has not been that great and anybody can be laid off at any point of time. Now, this is an imminent danger that even I am facing.
If you're laid off, then come to the court. We will see that.
My lord, let the interim order be continued as it is, my lord. That is that would be a fair disposition.
अगर कोई महिला अपनी शादीशुदा जिंदगी से खुश नहीं है तो क्या उसे तुरंत रिश्ता छोड़ देना चाहिए या पहले मेंटेनेंस लेकर फिर रिश्ता तोड़ना चाहिए? इस पर अपनी राय हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। कर्नाटका हाईकोर्ट की इस कार्यवाही में एक महिला ने 1 लाख रुपए प्रति माह मेंटेनेंस की याचिका दाखिल की है। उसने अपने खर्चों का ब्यौरा दिखाया जिसमें लगभग 46,000 रुपए के खर्च साबित हुए, लेकिन बाकी राशि का कोई ठोस सबूत वह पेश नहीं कर सकी। जब माननीय न्यायाधीश ने उससे पूछा कि शेष पैसे का क्या करती है तो उसने कहा कि उसने अपने दोस्तों से हैंड लोन्स ले रखे हैं। दूसरी ओर पति के वकील ने तर्क दिया कि शादी के तुरंत बाद ही पति को पता चल गया कि उसकी पत्नी मैट्रिमोनियल वेबसाइट पर सक्रिय है और उसके शक तब और गहरे हो गए जब उसने पत्नी को कुछ संदिग्ध ईमेल्स प्राप्त करते देखा। इसी आधार पर पति ने क्रुएल्टी और एडल्ट्री का आरोप लगाते हुए तलाक की याचिका दायर कर दी और अब पत्नी 1 लाख रुपए मेंटेनेंस की मांग कर रही है। यह मामला अभी विचाराधीन है। जल्दी हम आपको इसके अगले अपडेट से अवगत कराएंगे। धन्यवाद।